Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of English Coffee Podcast. Grab your coffee, get comfortable, because today's episode is going to blow your mind.
Seriously, have you ever opened TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, or X, read the comments, and thought, wait, am I reading English?
Someone writes, "It's giving main character." Another person comments, "Low-key obsessed." Then someone replies, "Bro is cooked." And suddenly, you're completely lost.
The funny part? Native speakers understand every single word. But millions of English learners don't. Not because their English is bad, because the internet created its own language.
Exactly. And if you're only learning English from textbooks, you're learning English, but not internet English. Today, we're translating the internet. We'll explain what these viral expressions actually mean, how Americans use them, and when not to use them. Let's jump in.
Let's start with one of the biggest phrases online. It's giving. You'll hear things like, it's giving rich, it's giving villain, it's giving vacation vibes, it's giving 90s.
Here's the secret. It's giving doesn't literally mean giving. It means it reminds me of, or it has the vibe of. For example, that outfit, it's giving CEO, meaning you look confident, professional, and powerful.
Don't say, it's giving me a pen. That's just normal English. This phrase is only about vibes.
Next up, low-key. Americans use this all the time. I low-key love this song. I'm low-key tired. I low-key want pizza.
Does it mean secretly? Kind of. It means a little, honestly, or I'm trying not to make a big deal about it. Example, I low-key think this is the best coffee in town. You're saying, I'm not shouting it, but yeah, I really think so.
This phrase exploded everywhere, especially in sports, gaming, and school. I'm locked in.
It means I'm completely focused. Nothing can distract me. Imagine finals tomorrow. Your phone is off. No TikTok, no Netflix, just studying. You're locked in.
Or imagine your favorite football team in the final minutes of the game. Every player, locked in.
This one's hilarious. If someone says, bro is cooked, they're definitely not talking about food.
It means someone is finished, done, in trouble. They have no chance. Example, you forgot your passport before your flight. You're cooked. You didn't study, and the exam starts in 5 minutes. You're cooked.
It's dramatic, but it's funny.
Here's another word that's everywhere. Aura. Not the spiritual meaning, internet meaning.
If someone has aura, they're naturally cool, confident, effortless. People notice them. Example, he walked into the room and everyone looked. That's aura.
People even joke, you just lost 10 aura points, meaning that was embarrassing.
One of my favorites, Delulu. It's short for delusional.
Imagine your friend says, I'm going to marry my favorite movie star. You laugh and say, okay, that's a little Delulu.
It's playful. Don't use it to insult someone. Friends usually say it jokingly.
This one is difficult. Gamers started this, but now everyone says it. NPC means non-player character.
If someone has NPC energy, they seem robotic, predictable, like they're just following a script. Example, he says the exact same thing every day. NPC energy.
This phrase became huge online. Someone starts doing something unusual. Everyone doubts them. Then another person says, let him cook.
It means, wait, give them a chance. Maybe they know exactly what they're doing.
It's become one of the funniest comments on the internet.
Here's something most English learners never hear. You do not need to use every slang word. Actually, using too much slang can sound forced.
The real goal isn't to sound trendy, it's to understand people. When you watch YouTube, Netflix, sports, or scroll through social media, you won't feel confused anymore. You'll finally get the joke.
Language changes every single year, and the internet changes it even faster. So don't panic if you hear words you've never learned in school. Even native speakers are learning new expressions all the time.
Remember, fluent English isn't just grammar. It's understanding real conversations, real culture, and the way people actually communicate every day.
So, which expression surprised you the most? It's giving, low-key, cooked, or maybe Delulu? Tell us in the comments.
If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's learning English. Thanks for hanging out with us today.
We'll see you next time, right here on English Coffee Podcast. Bye, everyone.